Welcome to the Invest in Africa Now channel, where we explore the intersection of technology and entrepreneurship. In this video, we're diving into the world of 3D and 9D virtual reality, VR cinema gaming. If you're interested in starting your own VR cinema gaming business in Africa, we've got you covered. We'll discuss the essential steps to launch your business, explore the required equipment and technology, and share effective marketing strategies to attract customers. Let's begin by understanding the exciting opportunities in the VR cinema gaming sector. Contact me if you need help buying these machines. Virtual reality is revolutionizing the entertainment industry, and Africa is no exception. Here's why starting a VR cinema gaming business in Africa is a compelling opportunity. Growing interest in technology and gaming. Africa's youth population is increasingly interested in technology and gaming. VR cinema gaming offers a unique, immersive experience that appeals to this demographic. Rise of virtual reality. VR technology has advanced rapidly, becoming more accessible and affordable. This creates opportunities for entrepreneurs to bring VR experiences to a broader audience in Africa. Entertainment industry growth. The entertainment industry in Africa is expanding, with more people seeking unique and engaging experiences. VR cinema gaming fills this demand, providing a cutting-edge entertainment option. Tourism and events. The tourism industry is a significant driver of VR experiences. Tourists and event organizers are always on the lookout for innovative attractions, creating a market for VR cinema gaming. Host. Now that we've outlined the potential, let's dive into the essential steps to start a successful 3D and 9D VR cinema gaming business in Africa. Decide on your VR cinema gaming business's concept. Will you focus on gaming, virtual tours, or cinematic experiences? Identify your target audience, such as families, teenagers, or corporate clients. Create a detailed business plan that outlines your concept, target market, pricing strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. A solid business plan helps you stay organized and secure funding. Select your business structure, sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation, and ensure compliance with local regulations. Obtain the necessary permits and licenses to operate a VR cinema gaming business in your region. Determine your startup costs, including VR equipment, cinema setups, location expenses, and marketing. Explore funding options such as personal savings, bank loans, or venture capital. Choose a location with high foot traffic and visibility. Consider shopping malls, entertainment centers, or tourist destinations. The right location is crucial for attracting customers. Invest in the necessary VR equipment and cinema setups. This includes VR headsets, motion seats, projectors, and sound systems. Ensure the equipment is durable and offers a high-quality experience. Hire skilled staff, including VR technicians and customer service representatives. Provide training on operating VR equipment and ensuring customer safety. A well-trained team enhances the customer experience. With your business concept defined and the location chosen, let's explore the equipment and technology required for a 3D and 9D VR cinema gaming business. To create an immersive VR cinema gaming experience, you'll need a variety of machines and equipment. Here's what you should consider. Invest in high-quality VR headsets that offer a seamless and immersive experience. Popular brands include Oculus, HTC Vive, and PlayStation VR. Choose headsets that are compatible with your software and easy to maintain. Motion seats and platforms. For 9D VR experiences, you'll need motion seats and platforms that simulate movement and add realism. These seats can move, vibrate, and create sensory effects, enhancing the overall experience. Projectors and screens. If you offer 3D cinema experiences, invest in quality projectors and screens. Ensure they are compatible with 3D content and provide a clear, vibrant picture. Sound systems. Sound is a crucial component of VR experiences. Invest in a high-quality sound system that can deliver immersive audio effects, enhancing the cinematic experience. Safety and hygiene equipment. Ensure you have safety equipment like seat belts for motion seats and hygiene equipment to sanitize VR headsets between uses. Safety and cleanliness are essential for customer satisfaction. With your equipment in place, let's discuss effective marketing strategies to attract customers and boost sales. Marketing is key to the success of a VR cinema gaming business. Here are some effective strategies to attract customers and increase sales. Create a professional website that showcases your VR experiences. Include photos and videos of your VR setups and provide information on pricing and booking. Use social media platforms to engage with your audience and share updates on new experiences or events. Partner with local influencers and content creators to promote your VR cinema gaming business. Influencers can create buzz and attract their followers to your business. Consider offering free VR experiences in exchange for promotion. Attract customers with special promotions and deals, such as group discounts or buy one, get one free offers. Consider loyalty programs to encourage repeat business and customer referrals. Join local events, fairs, and festivals to showcase your VR experiences. These events provide an opportunity to connect with potential customers and generate interest in your business. Form partnerships with other entertainment businesses, such as arcades or amusement parks. Collaborations can expand your reach and provide additional revenue streams. VR experiences are popular for corporate team building and events. Reach out to local businesses and event organizers to offer your VR services for corporate events or parties. Starting a VR cinema gaming business can be challenging. Here are some common challenges and tips on how to overcome them. The cost of VR equipment and cinema setups can be significant. Manage costs by researching the best deals, buying used equipment when possible, and negotiating with suppliers. The VR market is growing, but it can be competitive. Differentiate your business by offering unique experiences, high-quality equipment, or exceptional customer service. Focus on creating memorable experiences for your customers. VR equipment requires careful handling and regular cleaning. Ensure you have safety protocols in place and use hygienic practices to maintain customer trust. To attract repeat business, you need to keep your content fresh and exciting. Regularly update your VR experiences and offer new games or cinematic content to keep customers coming back. Run a successful 3D and 9D VR cinema gaming business. You'll need a variety of machines and equipment. Here's a list of essential items. VR headsets. Invest in high-quality VR headsets. Popular brands include Oculus, HTC Vive, and PlayStation VR. Choose headsets that offer a smooth experience and are comfortable for extended use. Motion platforms and motion seats. For 9D VR experiences, motion platforms and seats are crucial. These platforms simulate movement, adding a realistic touch to the VR experience. Projectors and screens. For 3D cinema experiences, invest in quality projectors and screens that offer clear and vibrant visuals. Ensure the equipment is compatible with 3D content and can handle high-definition projections. Sound systems. A high-quality sound system is essential for creating an immersive experience. Look for systems that deliver surround sound and can handle various audio effects. Safety and hygiene equipment. Ensure safety by providing seat belts for motion platforms and following strict hygiene protocols. Sanitize VR headsets and equipment regularly to maintain cleanliness and customer trust. Host. Now that we have the equipment in place, let's discuss effective marketing strategies to attract customers and increase sales. Marketing plays a critical role in attracting customers to your VR cinema gaming business. Here are some effective strategies to increase visibility and boost sales. Create a professional website showcasing your VR experiences. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to engage with your audience and share updates on new VR content or special promotions. Partner with local influencers and bloggers to promote your business. Influencers can generate buzz and attract their followers to your VR cinema. Offer free experiences in exchange for promotion. Starting a successful 3D and 9D virtual reality cinema gaming business in Africa requires careful planning, the right equipment, and effective marketing strategies. By following the steps we've outlined and focusing on customer satisfaction and safety, you can create a thriving business that captivates audiences. Thank you for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on entrepreneurship and business in Africa. Until next time, enjoy the virtual ride and best of luck with your VR cinema gaming business.